How to turn on off Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on off Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click this one, followers and public content, and here go down until you find off Facebook previews. Click on, and now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.